Hello everybody, my name is Infiniti and welcome to another artsy Saturday slash, acrylic pour video. Today I'm going to be doing a dirty pour with a color combination I gathered from a friend like months ago. It was several months ago, gosh. But anyway, I was doing all that gathering in preparation for later in the year and it pans out. I am just now kind of recording. Today has been busy. I almost got lost in an IKEA. I've never been to IKEA and I almost like don't know, wanted to call my mom. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do a dirty pour. Today's color combination, as you might have seen from the thumbnail, is gold, sky blue, and pink. I'm gonna pour it in that color. It's not the order it was given to me. So off to the side, I'm over here pouring my paint. I implore you, if you've never given me a color combination, leave me one down in the comment section. Why do I always call it the description? Go ahead and comment down below, letting me know what kind of color combination you would like to see. I will have acrylic oil, pour oil in this one, just to I don't know, give me cells. I'm not going to use any extra outside colors because you guys know, like, sometimes I'll do a cookie cutter thing with these color combinations and I'll put down a base coat of like white or black, but I think it'd be really interesting to just use these colors. Also, if you can see the mist coming across my camera lens, I have an incense burning like way over on my desk and he's just stubborn. So I have a few layers of paint in my main cup now, and I'm gonna get poured because I really want to see these cells. So I'm gonna orient it horizontally this time. I think I do enough vertical painting, and I'm just gonna. The gold is really dominant with this color combo. It's really interesting. I would have never put these together. Now this week, like I said, I put acrylic pour oil in it. I also put water in my Floetrol, so we're gonna see how this works out. If I need to use the spray stuff, I'll probably use it like off camera. Gonna tilt this a little bit. Ooh, it's flowing nicely. So nicely. Okay. Kind of blends in with the gold. But you know what, that was another comment I had with the past portfolio day, is that my pours aren't like overwhelmingly vibrant, I guess, and I can appreciate that. They're not as like decorative as some of them. It's like I think a lot of them with the full color pop thing are beautiful, but like sometimes you can only stare at a piece for so long when it's super bright, and I feel like it burns your eyes. And I just, considering I hang these in my house sometimes, I just don't want that kind of action going on. Might get a little bit of back canvas as I tilt this. I kind of wonder if I should like spray it down like I've done in the past, for the simple fact that it makes the paint run more. Clean stick and kind of swipe this bad boy. Oh, now some of the pink is popping out. It's not really helping the cells. Fear not, I have more pigment. I'm seeing now that I've swiped it, I don't really want to do that because it's going to muddle these already muted colors. So what I am going to do is, like, when I break my knee. But what I am gonna do is go ahead and like pour the other colors kind of separately and kind of, you guys know how I pour or tend to pour. There's this like one. It's kind of like cotton candy. Alright guys, BRB. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. And I do actually have a little bit more pigment in the bottom of my dirty cup, so to speak. So I'm just going to kind of swirl that around one of these edges. Leave it up in that corner. Let it drain in that corner. I think that like down here, it's gonna end up really interesting because more of the pink comes out, and because I swirled it, it's kind of rosy in a way. You know, it reminds me of a rose. So I'm gonna go ahead and I feel like I don't want to get paint on myself, but you know what? It's just a part of my life now. And still got it on myself. Good job, Infiniti. So I'm gonna get one of my mini jars and kind of tilt it in this awkward position, and hopefully, you know, it'll move in a good way. Okay, gonna get back to pouring those colors. Got the paint off. My brother is having a blast with whatever he's doing over there. Just hopefully it doesn't show up in my recording. This gold is so pretty. I mixed a tempera gold and a Blick acrylic gold and added a little white for a little razzle dazzle, you know. But anyway, I got that going on, so it's not like pure blinding shiny typical gold, but it's not too dull either, and I think it works lovely. Like, I see these veins of gold throughout the painting, and it's gonna make it really intriguing. I don't know if I will actually put the spray. Is that my light? I don't know if I'll actually put the spray on this painting. I feel like I should, since I have like this. I could swipe it a little bit. See what it does. I did, like I said, I could pour oil in it, but I'm guessing that it doesn't like the water. So I also didn't use that much pour oil, so you know what, it could be a mixture of things. But I'm using all this paint today. Oh, there's a few cells coming up. Forever putting my hand back in that paint though. So now I'm gonna move this bad boy. Move him back around. And I'm gonna come in with the last of my little like sky blue that I had. I don't know if it's necessarily sky blue, but it's blue. But of course it is acrylic. Acrylic dries, it dries darker. So yeah. Hopefully it'll all blend together and be a happy little adventure. I think I will come in with some spray acrylic. I know I'm so indecisive, guys. I think it looks really pretty, but like the outer edge didn't quite pan out like it normally does. Like if I swipe it, they just muddle so bad. Ugh. But these beautiful cells. Anyway, I'm gonna like loosely, and I do mean loosely, spray that silicone blaster on it, just because, sorry, I'm moving around, just because when you spray it, sometimes it's like, I don't know if you guys remember on Instagram when I posted that lunar like fracture painting thing that I did. That's kind of the nature of this spray. So kind of up here where it didn't do much, and then as it sits, it'll sell. But I will swipe it for like the one time, just for the one time. I know, I'm so indecisive. I do want some of that gold to resurface, so you do what you gotta. And I am very happy because all of my sides of my painting are covered. Even the corners. That's so great. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If so, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. And don't forget to check out my other social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit. I'm all over the place, Pinterest, you know. So don't forget to check those out. And until next time, happy making.